As a Supreme Court, today we have buried our heads in the sand. We don't want to face the reality. Ultimately, it will be our responsibility for every human right violation that is happening today. I mean, we don't let them speak. We say that it's a political issue. It is not a political issue. It is about the Constitution, the grave violations that are taking place. We cannot shut our eyes.
Respect may submit. No higher principle gets offended.
Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, एक second, just started. When you're talking about principles, please can you refer to the Constitution where this is listed?
Lord, the Constitution over here recognizes.
Is the concept of principle mentioned in the Constitution?
We're expounding the Constitution.
I'm just asking the learned counsel, is it or not?
My Lord, my submission is that it is not.
But there is a principle. Please read Article 5(2).
Yes.
No,
yes.
please read it. Let's yes करके हम इसको इतने आराम से नजरअंदाज ना करें.
Obedience to the Constitution and law is the inviolable obligation of every citizen, wherever he may be, and of every other person for the time being within
This
Pakistan.
is the only principle enunciated in the Constitution, and I hope you don't mind my saying so. We are so indulgent of autocratic rule, और आप भी रह चुके हैं डिक्टेटर के अटॉर्नी जनरल. वो वक्त था जब मैंने वकालत छोड़ दी थी, पता नहीं कितने साल, जब तक वो जजेस रिस्टोर नहीं हुए. ठीक है, हम जब भी कोई जमहूरियत आती है तो हम छुरियां निकाल के आ जाते हैं सामने, और जब भी कोई डिक्टेटर आता है तो फौरन उसके साथ हो जाते हैं, मिनिस्टर बन जाते हैं, अटॉर्नी जनरल बन जाते हैं. असूल की बात करना है तो बड़ा असूल बात करें. सबसे बड़ा असूल ये है आइन का असूल. ये आइन का असूल पे क्यों नहीं गामजन है? ये प्रिंसिपल और वो प्रिंसिपल, वो कंसल्स थ्योरी ऑफ लॉ, इसी ने तो पाकिस्तान को तबाह करके रख दिया है. अब आप चलें आइनी कोर्ट हैं, आइन की बातें करें. कहाँ लिखा है कि हम फलां प्रिंसिपल इंपोर्ट कर लें? वो इंग्लिस्तान के जज ने क्या कहा है और उसके जज ने क्या कहा? पहले बताएं कि जी इस पे ज़बान इसकी वाज़ेह नहीं है, आगे बढ़ते हैं, बता दीजिए हम. तो ये आइन तकद्दुस है. ये आपकी मर्जी नहीं है कि आप इसको फॉलो करें, नहीं, आपको करना लाजिम है. आप पे, हम पे डबल लाजिम है, इसलिए क्योंकि हम ओथ ले लेते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, आप नहीं लेते ओथ. आई होप यू डोंट माइंड दीज ऑब्जर्वेशंस, बट दीज आर द फैक्ट्स ऑफ. वी टॉक अबाउट हिस्ट्री, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान. देन
My Lord, may I?
Makhdoom Sahab,
can you respond to this? Can you please respond?
Makhdoom Sahab,
we'll give you a break.
Makhdoom Sahab, Makhdoom Sahab,
ponder over it.
Makhdoom Sahab,
we can take it up after this.
I'll welcome it, my Lord.
I think that's the
Makhdoom Sahab, with great respect. Today, the Constitution is not being upheld. Whatever is happening, everyone knows. And everyone is pretending as if we are only talking about the past. Today, let this court not be seen as complicit. That is why it is so important to secure the rights of the people. Everyone has made mistakes in the past. No one is an angel. But there has to be a resolve to say one day, enough is enough. Today,
we should also acknowledge our mistakes.
As a Supreme Court, today we have buried our heads in the sand, and we don't want to face the reality, but ultimately it will be our responsibility for every human right violation that is happening today. The enforced disappearances, I mean, we don't let them speak. We say that it's a political issue. It is not a political issue.
My Lord,
it is about the Constitution, the grave violations that are taking place. We cannot shut our eyes. And again, I would say, speaking for myself, the most important petition that is pending in this court is regarding the alleged irregularities on 8th of February elections, and it's known to everyone.
My Lord, counsel have their limitations. Your Lordship, sitting at that exalted position, can say things which may expose me to the law of contempt.
Mr. Makhdoom,
I have to
I think this calls for a cup of tea.
ठीक है, चलो.
Thank you.